The story I like to share is that right before I was leaving on vacation, my wife received the copy of 2 traffic tickets for a car that she had sold 4 years earlier for tickets in the city of Chicago. Cars she had a bill of sale that she hadn't owned and had these 2 tickets. Well, we're in Lexington, Illinois, which is about 3 hours from Chicago. We're getting ready to leave for vacation, an extended vacation, and our court date was during the time when we were going to have to be there. She called the law firm, got the information. It was in Cook County. It was not a real fun phone call in terms of the information that we got. We always talk about, do we like what we hear? But basically what they told us was that we could send a letter, we could make a phone call, and they might handle it, but it probably would get dropped in the cracks. And when we weren't there in court on that day to represent ourselves, that they would then issue another ticket, and the ticket would go from the $125 each to $500 because we failed to appear. At which point we could start the process to defend ourselves as to why we didn't appear and why we were there. Many cases, they say people just pay the $125 ticket rather than fight it. So we sent the letter, did what they told us to do, and when we got back from vacation was the letter telling us that we had 2 $500 tickets, not 2 $125s. At that point, they gave us the name of a referral attorney who we called, and the referral attorney said it was still going to cost more than the cost of the $500 tickets, but had we checked with the Department of Motor Vehicle Registration to find out for sure that the transfer of the title had or had not occurred. That one phone call that Joyce made down to Springfield got the information that said, no, we have it on record here that your title was transferred on such and such a date, and we'll be happy to send you a copy, which should be enough proof that they would dismiss the charges. Furthermore, you might mention if you call up there that what happens is, this is from the state of the Chicago police, in many cases go to a database. It's easier for them to track. That's why they got the wrong information, because it was on a database in Chicago. Had they gone through this database, they would have seen where they should have sent the ticket. We sent that, we made the phone call, got to the top, and with that information, we were able to settle that. We never did go to Chicago, we never did make an appearance, and we never did pay a fine. Thank you, LegalShield.